Oh! Alright, we're playing Batman for Nintendo NES. Alright, so you have, looks like a couple buttons. Jump, punch, movement, left, right, down. You have the graphics, pretty basic. Foreground, background. Background, you have the theme of Gotham, dark, theater, most likely where, his parents died as a young boy. You have the red, which is distinct of what you can physically touch. Let's see, can you touch it? Yep. So that stops you from jumping up. The background right behind that is a building, clearly bricks, well made. You have cinder blocks along with the red bricks, if I could talk. Basic building. You have your different characters, all have physical action. They stand up, squat down, move their arms, put out a gun, shoot. Batman runs. When they run, you can see their legs and their arms move pretty well, fluidly. That way you know what they're doing. Batman punches. It doesn't look like any of the other ones do anything except run into you. Except the flamethrower guys, you can't hit the flames. So, I mean, it's a basic understanding of the characters. Batman, of course, you can tell who he is with his cape and his hood. Oh, that won't hurt.
Oh.
And then, let's see, scenario. There's a prelude of the Joker talking about gassing Gotham, and you're going about it, trying to stop him from gassing Gotham and saving Gotham, like always. It looks like the trains or the trucks or the cars, I don't know what those things are. Those could be shooting gas out, so you're stopping them. The guys running have gas tanks on them, so they could be trying to gas citizens that you're protecting or Gotham itself. That seems to be the scenario. I honestly don't know much, unless I probably beat it, because it looks like, honestly, right now I'm just killing little victim things, enemies, destroying them, making them go boom. Oh, a fly guy. Alright. Ow. Scoring base, it looks like I pretty much have a health bar. Looks like there's 8 bars for it. Oh, and every time I get hit, I blink for a little bit, which means I can... Oh, I'm gonna die. Well, I get to figure out what I look like when I die. Oh, blazing flame. So 8 bars at the top left. Looks like that's your health bar. If you hit 8 times, you disappear and reset on the level. That looks like that's the only scoring base for it. I honestly don't know what these P's and B's are. It's pretty basic. It actually reverts to a game I played before, Assassin's Creed. It was also 2D based, but it actually correlates to almost every kind of video game where you have to fight through a scenario, beat a bad guy, if I could play any decently. And, but yeah, the only difference is the newer ones kind of have a open world where you can roam and make your own choices on what to do, where this one, you have pretty much a straight line. There's a direct route. It kind of shows you what you're supposed to do, where you're supposed to go.
Wow, straight offended.
And it's pretty much my dialogue. It seems fun. I'll probably cheat playing it. Mainly I want to try and get past these flying guys because I haven't been able to do it yet. So we will see.
Believe in you, sweetie.
Hope you enjoy.